Hi, creator. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel, the channel that brings you the creativity of the world graphic.
If you are new here, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be the first person to always get updates from this channel. Thank.
In today's video, we are going to be learning how to design this.
I'm good guys, welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. So in today's tutorial we're going to be designing a birthday flyer, simple birthday flyer. So in this tutorial we're going to be using two apps, which is pixellab and PicArt. So I'm just only using PicArt for stretching of text. So what are we going to do now? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on your plus button. You go to your gallery to where your background is. So actually this is my background. So after that you go to your relative size, you increase it. So when you increase it, just bring it to this place, this side. Good. So after that, the thing I have to do is very well, it's not white place. Good. So after that you just lock it. So also the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your text, then you click on happy. So you write happy first. Happy. Good. So after that you just come here, then you go to your color. So you can actually choose this color. So this color is just this stuff, just move it up like this, just move it to the downside, so you actually create the color without seeing it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to your stroke. So after you click on your stroke, you enable the stroke. So can you see it? So then you click on this yellow. Good. So after that you just decrease it to only one. Good. So after that, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your font AB. You see what they call AB, so font. So I'm going to choose Caliststb something font. Is this Caliber? Good. Caliststb. Good. So after that I'm going to increase it, then I'm going to place it here, so you can see it. Good. So after that you go to your relative position and make sure it's at the middle. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do is to duplicate it, then I'm going to write birthday. So birthday. Good. Capital letter also. Then you come here, then you can actually reduce this birthday now, then you place it here too. Good. So after that, next thing we're going to do is to click on the on saving. You say as image, click on PNG, then you go to your debut, then you actually save as ultra 2. So you just save it to gallery. So I'm going to pause the video now so it will save to your gallery. Good. So welcome to the PicArt. So this is the PicArt now. So I just insert it. So you click on the PicArt, you see plus button, you click on the plus button, then you choose your image from the gallery. So after you choose your image from the gallery, you will see go tools, effects, retouch, remove BG, and also something like that. So I'm not going to click on any other thing than tools. So I'm going to click on tools. So after that you will see a lot of things: free crop, shake crop, dispersion, gold, clone, remove, stretch, motion tools, and etc. So what I'm going to click on now is stretch. So guys, I've clicked on stretch. So after you click on stretch, just leave it like this, just leave it as the work that it is. So just stretch it. So can you see it? Just stretch it. Use your hand to stretch it. Good. Good. So just stretch it. So can you see it now? Good. So this is actually what I want. So after that you click on good, then you save it to gallery. So you can actually say save. Yeah, just save it just save it. So welcome back to this place, welcome back to this survey. So what are we going to do right now? So the next thing you're going to be doing right now is to click on your plus button, click from gallery, then you're going to insert this one we just did right now. So this is recent, so this is it. So after that, so this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on your little size, then it will go like this. So can you see it? So after that, you just lock it. So you don't need any of this one today, so you can actually lock them too, so you don't need the game. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your from gallery. So when you click from gallery, you go to your image, go to where your image is. So you are using two images for this one, you're actually using this one. So after this one, no, let me crop it a little bit. So I'm going to crop. So crop. Good. So after crop, I'm going to do something like this. Good. Then you go to your what do you call it? Your opacity. Good. So it's actually okay like this. So what are you going to do? You just lock it. So after that, you go to your gallery again, then you choose your image again. So I guess the image I want to choose is down side here. Because this is the image I'm going to choose. So I'm going to crop it again. Crop it again. Good. So after that, this is it. I'm going to increase it. Increase it again. What happened to the image? I'm going to delete it. I'm going to re-choose the image. The image is not well set. Simply cropping it much. Good. So after that, the image is not so much bright, so I'm going to my color filter to increase the saturation. So can you see the saturation has increased? So can actually leave it by 13. Good, 13 is actually okay, but I still need to this image is looking somewhere in my eye. Is in my eye. I need to delete it. Sorry, let me reduce it again. I don't know what is happening to the image, why the image is doing like that. Or is it because of the cropping? So just let me crop only here and let's see if it's actually good to go. I think it's okay like this, and if not okay, I'm going to be using it like that, but the image is actually good. So saturation again. Good. So 13 is okay. Good. Good. So I think it's at the middle right now. So what am I going to do now? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to lock the image too. So after locking the image, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my shape, give it this this. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to give it color. So the color is, I actually made this color gradient color. So I think this is it, gradient color. So after that, I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to place it here. Good. So this plate is actually okay for it. So the next I'm going to do is go to my stroke and give it white color, so you can actually see it. So the next I'm going to do now is to click on my shape again. I'm going to place it here. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do, it's okay. So just make sure it's at the middle of it. Basic position. So let's check. Good. So we are actually not done. The next I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, click on gallery. So I'm going to go to another place, PSS something. Good. So I guess this is the what I want to use. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use this one. Good. So this one is going like this. So what am I going to do? Just drag it to the back of the image. No, not the back of the image. Let it go to the front of the image. Good. So you actually go like this. Then you drag it down a little bit. It's too much. Good. So after that, the next I'm going to do is to click on my plus button again. Then I'm going to bring out this one actually. I think this one actually. Then this one will go to the back of the image. Why the first one to the front, then the second one to the back of the image. So can you see that we're actually moving forward? Good. So I'm just only having concern with the image, or it is my eye that is doing something like this. So this one actually, you can actually see that thing is doing somewhere. So what am I going to do? I'm going to crop it. Crop something like this. Crop. Good. So we're actually good to go. So what the next I'm going to do? The next I'm going to do is to click on my text. Click on my text. Then I'm going to write fifths. Then I'm going to bring capital letter. It's okay. So the next I'm going to do is to go to my font now. Then I'm going to change the font to something Acasalone. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Position. So I can zoom the work. We are good to go. Zoom it very well. After that, just drag it and place it here. Good. So after that, next I'm going to do is to duplicate it. Then I'm going to write November. Give the capital letter 2. Then come and then you place it here. Good. So you can see that we are actually moving forward. Good. So after that, you can now zoom it back. Good. So you can see it. So the next I'm going to write is to click on my text. Then I'm going to edit this. Then I'm going to write this stuff. This actually. So after that, you go to your color, change it to this color. Good. So after that, you go to your font, then change to something simple font. So we're using the Acasalone medium for it. So you're going to reduce it very well. I'll actually lock all this, and if this font is not good for it, I mean, we are going to use another font for it. So I'm going to increase this one a little bit. But it seems the font is not going to work out, so I'm going to try another font. So let's try Acasalone Pro. So let's try it first. So can you see the font actually work? This Acapo actually work. So I'm going to be using it. So this one we are going to change the font to Acasalone Pro. I mean. November 2. Should change to Acasalone Pro. Good. So you're actually moving forward. So I can now shift this one a little bit. Good. So what is next I'm going to be doing? So the next step I'm going to be doing is to click on my text. Then I'm going to click happy just like this. So you go to your font, then you choose this autograph, sorry, this one. So for that, you come here, you drag it and you place it here. It's too big. So after you place it there, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to my texture. Now I'm going to put texture, which is I'm going to find an image for the texture. So I pray I should remember the image I used for the texture. So let's go. I think it's around there. I think it should be this. Good. So you copy it, then you write birthday. So the next thing is to change the font. Change the font to something the Calist this one that we used then. So you're gonna get happy birthday. So good. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to click on my shape. After I click on the shape, give it radius. No, yeah, give it radius 3. So after that, you give it this color. Then you can actually reduce it. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to your relative position, place it at the middle. This birthday 2, place it at the middle. Good, something is wrong. So the next I'm going to be doing right now is to click on this birthday, then you write Prophet Prince Mendy. Prophet Prince Mendy. Change the capital letter. Then you can be small now. Then you can zoom your work. Zoom it very well. Good. So we are good to go. So I need to correct this something because there's one shining light that is showing there, and I don't really know if I can move it up a little bit for the light to show. Let me check. Wow, the light is not showing. The shining light is not showing. Okay, let me check something. Let me check if I can actually move this pastor first and see if the light is there. Wow, the light is there, but I've allowed the shining light to show then. But it's okay, it's for good. So let's go. So in case you want to still put the shining light, I'm going to click on my plus button. I'm going to click from sticker. So I'm going to click on this one actually. So this is it. So after that, you go to your color, then change the color to this. So after that, you can now reduce the opacity. Good. So you're actually good to go. So this is how I got this happy birthday. So thank you for watching up to now. So you can actually save your work as image.
Hey creator, thanks for watching up till now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.